Hello guys, welcome again to FX View with another video. So today we are going to talk about the Gomarkets. It's an Australian broker. As you know, Australian brokers are definitely making a name for themselves in the trading arena as some of the most reliable initiative and forward-thinking firms around. This broker is no different with a wide variety of tools, assets and reasonable trading conditions. Gomarkets Ltd, an ASIC regulated broker, has been in operation since 2006. The head office is located in Melbourne, Australia, with over a decade of experience. Gomarkets has grown to become a leading broker with a huge client base from over 115 countries. Gomarkets offers foreign exchange share CFDs, of course, and indices, metal and commodities for trading on the MT4 and MT5 platforms. So, as you can see, it offers up to 15 plus pairs, and it has a wide vast of instruments, flexible leverage that goes up to 500, and it's commission free with a low cost dealing. There is also smart trading tools, there is education, and this broker, as we said, is regulated entity, which is a factor that ensures transparent trading conditions. There is also ultra fast trade executions courtesy of innovative technology and powerful servers located in London. Availability of trading and analysis tools like AutoChartist and Trading Central. You're gonna see this later on our review. And there is also client fund segregation too. It has also indices to trade. I'm gonna check them now. As you can see here on the screen, between the indices available to trade, there is the DAX 13, there is the Spain 35, there is the Wall Street 13, there is US 500 and more. There is the Japanese Nikkei. And in commodities, this includes gold, oil and silver, and of course it's spot gold and spot WTE, crude oil or Brent oil, or the US oil future too. If you don't want to trade spot, you can trade future contracts for any month you would like. There is also bonuses, and this is a good thing. It offers you a 30% credit bonus from $1,000 to $20,000 funding of your account. As for now, let's check the platforms supported by Gomarkets. We can choose our CFD platforms, which are of course there is the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. There is the AutoChartist. Those are trading tools that you can use on Gomarkets. There is also this Trading Central. There is the VPS servers if you would like the virtual private services. If you trade using expert advisors on anything like that, or copy trading, this is really a good broker for you, and it supports all these kind of tools. And of course you can download platforms MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 on the broker website, which has no problems for any machine, whether you have a Mac or a Windows, iOS device or an Android device. Everything is supported, and you can download them on from the website. And if you want to open an account on Gomarkets, they offer only two account types. The major difference between the accounts are the spread, of course, commissions, and account opening balance. The maximum leverage offered on all accounts is 1 to 500. A dedicated account manager is assigned to all account holders, so the account currencies are on Australian dollar, euro, the US dollar, the GBP, the New Zealand dollar, the Canadian dollar, and more currency pairs that you can use on opening an account with Gomarkets. Also, you can fund your accounts from the websites if you'd like to start using this broker. So the main type of accounts are the Go Plus and the standard account, of course, and you can choose either of them uh, as your appetite wants, what you like, and you can compare between them, of course. We're gonna see that in few moments uh, how they are different between them, what's the, the main differences in it, as we said. And as you can see on the screen, that the main differences are the spreads and commission. Of course, the standard there has 1 pip spread, and the Go Plus it has 0 pips, but the commissions on the Go Plus is a $3 per site commission, while there is none on the standard account. Now we're going to jump up to the news, daily news, weekly summaries, article, economy calendars. This Go Markets, this broker offers these tools, offers them for free, and you can use them if you are a type of trader that use calendar, economics, and the news and anything. You could find it here on the broker website. Also, there is a trader academy. It has a learning courses and demo live account to trade, and there is a library of articles that can help you achieve what you want to achieve in trading and learn about trading the most possible way. That's it, guys. We're coming to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and see you on another video with another broker, of course. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Thanks.